We're graphing points on the coordinate plane. On this homework help video, you should have separated the sheet of your homework that has all of the coordinates from the sheet with the coordinate plane so they can have them side by side. Then you're going to plot the ordered pairs on the coordinate plane. After you plot each new point, draw a line to connect it to the previous point. I'll show you an example of that on the video. So wherever it says start, we're starting a new dot to dot where we're connecting all of the points to each other. And the first point here, first ordered pair is 0, -13. We have to remember that the first coordinate is our x coordinate and the second coordinate is our y coordinate. X comes before y in the alphabet, and x always comes before y in your ordered pair. And we always start at the origin 0, 0. That's our starting point. And so if x is 0, I don't need to move right or left at all. But y is -13, so I need to move down 13. And so this first point will be on the y-axis. After you plot each point, I would recommend putting a little dot next to it. You don't necessarily want to cross it out in case you need to go back and look at it. The next point is 0, -10. So I start at the origin. X is 0, so I don't need to go right or left at all, but I need to go down 10. That point is also on the y-axis, and I need to connect it with a line segment to the previous point, just like that. I'm putting a dot so I remember I did it, and then I'm doing the next point, -210. Starting at the origin, x is -2, so I move 2 to the left, keep my pencil there, and then y is -10, so from there I move down 10, and this is the next point, connected to the previous point. -4, -8, I start at the origin, I go 4 to the left for -4x, and down 8 for -8y. There's my point, and connect it to the previous point. Why don't you try doing the next few on your own? I want to go at least this far. So go at least this far, and we'll come back and see how you did on the video, because there's a transition that occurs in here. I want to make sure we get that right, and then from there the rest of it should be pretty easy.
Paused.
Okay, the next point is -8, -8. So I start at the origin, I go 8 left for -8x, and down 8 for -8y. Connect that to the previous point. The next point is -9, -7. Start at the origin, I go 9 to the left for -9x, and down 7 for -7y. Connect that to the previous point. -8, -7 would be 8 left, down 7, so right there. -8, -2. Start at the origin, 8 left and down 2. Connect that to the previous point. -9, -1 would be 9 left and down 1. -9, +3. So -9x is 9 to the left, +3y is up 3. The reason I wanted to go at least this far is because now we've transitioned from the first, second, third quadrant into the second quadrant, and that's often where students will make a mistake. They'll do -3 instead of +3. So if you made that transition fine, let's do one more. -8, 4, 8 to the left and up 4. If you transitioned correctly and your drawing looks like this, you just keep going all the way until you see the word stop, and then you'll stop connecting the dots, and then you'll get another range of ordered pairs, and you'll connect dots between the start and the stop for that range of ordered pairs. If you do all that, you'll end up getting a picture that you'll recognize. At one point it says put a large dot on one of the points, and you'll understand why when you fill it in. You'll see why that's a large dot. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you tomorrow.